guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've created this look for the day 3 of Navratri, and if you're interested in knowing how I created this particular look, then continue watching. So first things first, I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer as a eye base. So I'll be applying it like this, and then today I'll be using MISSCLAIRE eyeshadow palette. So I'll be taking this light shade, it's a matte shade, so I'll be setting my concealer with that shade. Then moving on, I'm using this light pink color first, and then on top I'll be using that corally kind of a color. So first I used that light shade and it barely had any color, so I used it as a base. Then on top I'm using this coral color, and this eyeshadow also didn't pick well with a brush, so I went ahead and used my fingers and it worked pretty well with my fingers itself. So I just build the color slowly with my fingers, and then once I was happy with the way the eyeshadow was looking, I went ahead and blended the eyeshadows. So once I was happy with the way my corally color was looking, I went ahead with that brown shade. It was only matte shade which had in the palette, so I went ahead with that shade and I'm going to apply it on my crease, and I'm making sure everything is blended nicely. Then taking that same matte shade, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, and then I did my base off camera because you all know how I do my base and I'll be showing it in all my videos, so I had to skip in this video. Then moving on, I'm using this kajal and I'll be applying it on my waterline and tight line with the same kajal. Then I'm smudging my kajal on my lower lash line. After that, I'll be using this shade and I'll be applying it on my 1/3 of my eyes, starting from inner corner and dragging it like this. And then I'll be using this light shimmery shade. It has golden flecks to it, so I'll be applying it on my inner corners and on my brow bone. And then I'm using this mascara to finish off my eye look. For blush, I'm using this Miss Claire blush and I'll be applying it on my cheeks like this, and then I'll make sure it's all blended nicely. Then I'm going back with that same highlighter shade and I'll be highlighting my highest points with that. And to set my base, I'm using this Wet n Wild setting spray and I'm spritzing it all over my face and then using Beauty Blender to blend it in. Then to finish off my look, I'm using this lip liner first, so I'll be lining my lips with this red lip liner. Then on top I'm using this nude coral shade, and with that I finished this day 3 of Navratri makeup, and I hope you all liked it. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I'll provide the link in the description box. Do check it out. With that being said, I'll finish this video. Thank you all so much for watching.